Might help if I do that. Hey, kia ora. Hope you're having a super fantastic, sparkling Magic Monday. How was your Magic Monday? Ours has been very interesting today. Our Magic Monday. Let's see. Um, what do we do today? Oh, yeah, it was very magical. Had a super productive day. I had my day all planned out. That got thrown out the window when I got asked to come on the hot desk because they were getting a little swamped this morning. So got on there and got helped out there with that before it basically up until the time I was supposed to start. And and then I've got not one, not two, but 3 wind advisories for this evening. One was supposed to start at 11 o'clock, another one at 5, another one at 6, but they're all meant to end at 11 p.m. tonight. We didn't pull the awning in until around 2:30, 3 o'clock this afternoon. That's when it started going. It started going like this. So I was like, yeah, that's coming in. One of our wind advisories is a dust storm. That sounds like great. So we are ready to rock and roll, get out of here, go walk Zephyr. I normally would have walked her by now, but when I got off the chat, I had to go lay down. I had a headache coming on, and I know it's because of the air pressure change with all these winds coming in and everything else. And as much as you can try to batten down the hatches on an RV and cover up the vents, block the vents as much as possible, there's still going to get areas where it's going to get in. And so you're still going to get the wind coming in, you're still going to get the dust coming in. I haven't seen any dust storms go through yet, but then I've been head down, tail up working. So they're expecting winds between 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 40. And I'm like, yay. That means I can snuggle down inside tonight and we can watch a movie and just get some stuff done and that sort of thing too. So just chat with friends or whatever. It means that we can stay snuggled up inside and be comfortable and good. And I still didn't get my groceries done. That was on my to-do list today, and I didn't get my groceries done. I did, however, have to end up ordering lunch. So I ordered Panda Express because with Panda Express, I get the big one where you get the whatever the base is. I got fried rice, and then I got 3 entrees to go with it. And I ate half of it for lunch. The other half's going to be for dinner tonight. And then I found my keto waffles in my freezer. So I'm like, yay, I have breakfast tomorrow. Yay. So I'll probably put my grocery order in tonight with a please deliver between these hours tomorrow. So that's probably what I will do this evening. But anyway, so it's been a super productive day. Lots of wind around today, and it's going to get even windier into the evening, which is going to be like great. We're going to be rocking and rolling a little bit tonight, but that's okay because if it rocks the right way, we're just going to hop into bed and get rocked to sleep. So I'm not complaining. So our tell your story question of the day is, my new quote is, there's magic all around us. Take time to stop and just feel it. So Kathy Baxter, my friend who is in Canada, happy Thanksgiving for Canada. She has a cat called Panda. So she just asked, Panda Express, huh? My cat doesn't deliver. Well, she delivered a great, what did I get? Chicken and mushrooms, teriyaki chicken, and broccoli and beef with fried rice. So she delivered very well and it was very good. Even Zeffy had tastes of little bits, and I had to watch my fingers. I gave her little bits and it was gone. I was like, okay. So yeah, she likes the Chinese. She liked the broccoli. She liked a little bit of beef, a little bit of chicken that she got. She liked a little bit of fried rice because it had egg in it. That particular piece did. And she loves eggs. She loves eggs. But anyway, so we are off to go for our walk, and our tell a story question of the day was, did you have your magic trick kit? Have your own magic trick kit when you were younger? And what was it like to put on your shows to learn those tricks? How did you do? Tell us about it. I'd love to hear these stories. But anyway, we're out of here now. If you got it's the dust coming in. I can feel it in the nostrils. Probably going to have to put the cotton wool in my ears before we go out. Do you have any questions about researching family trees? Remember to private message me or drop them in the comments below, because tomorrow night we will be answering your family tree question and your question could be the question of the week. So go out, have a super fantastic sparkling evening on your Magic Monday, and we'll catch you back here bright and early tomorrow morning for Tune Up Tuesday. Hei konera!